Hey guys, this is your boy Akwe the DIY, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block this your dirt stain watermarks on your ceiling. So first of all, what we are going to use is the Zenza cover stain primer. This is the oil base. I do recommend oil base for this job, and if you want to get this paint to buy, you can get it in Ace Hardware wherever you are. Okay, so let's get started. What do you need? You need your roller and your stick. So tape around the base coat, and now we just need to start rolling. So just protect the floor, cover that place with some plastic sheet, and let's get started. So as you can see, just roll over gently, horizontal and vertical way, for you to get a very good rolling work. Okay, so just do it slowly, don't rush it, just in a slow manner. It will be okay. So we'll be doing 2 coats of this stain blocker. So let's do the first coat, wait for 10 to 15 minutes because the stain blocker, it dries very quickly. Okay, within some 10-15 minutes it's dried. Okay, because it's very fast in drying, it cures very fast. So within 10-15 minutes your first coat is dry, then you can put the second coat on top of it, and you wait for 20 minutes for the. So as you can see, first coat is done, but still you can notice some stains over there. So we need to do the second coat to block it completely. Okay, so we are doing the second coat. So the same process, vertical and horizontal. Okay, roll it vertical and horizontal so that every angle will be well covered. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. The name is Akwe the DIY. Follow me on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Just type Akwe the DIY and you'll find me there. Like the video, share, subscribe, and leave on your notification bell for any video that I will be dropping. Okay, so now we are going to apply the paint. Yeah, we are going to, and I'm using Jotun Jolly Flex white. You can also get this one in Ace Hardware wherever you are. Okay, I bought it from Ace Hardware. Okay, so you can also just get it from there. So we will be doing 2 coats of the white. Okay, so that's the first coat. The same procedures, roll it horizontal and vertical to make everything unique and perfect. Okay, so that you will not get any marks, roller marks on top of your work. When you do the horizontal, then your second coat will be the vertical. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see, yeah, now your ceiling is done, and you can see how beautiful and how clean is it. Okay, wow, I love this thing. Don't forget to subscribe. The name is Akwe the DIY, and thanks for watching. Comment wherever you are, and let's make it possible. Bye.